Have you ever dreamed of throwing the most magical boho baby shower, but felt lost on where to start? Picture this: soft earthy tones, pampas grass swaying gently in the breeze, and cozy textures creating the perfect whimsical atmosphere. Sounds like a Pinterest dream, right? Well, today I'm breaking down exactly how you can create that dreamy boho baby shower without the stress. Stick around because you won't want to miss these stunning decor ideas.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are the best color palettes for a boho baby shower? A well-thought-out color palette sets the foundation for the perfect boho baby shower. Earthy tones like terracotta, rust, sage green, and blush pink create a warm and natural feel. Consider soft neutrals like beige, cream, and sand for a minimalist yet elegant vibe. For a unique touch, incorporate subtle metallics like gold or copper to add a bit of shine without overpowering the boho aesthetic. Loving these boho vibes? Like and share this video with someone planning a baby shower. How can I create a stunning boho baby shower backdrop? A beautiful backdrop is essential for photos, videos, and a focal point for the celebration. A macramé wall hanging paired with pampas grass and dried flowers creates an effortlessly chic look. Try a balloon garland in soft, muted colors to add a modern boho touch. If you're hosting outdoors, a wooden teepee adorned with flowy fabric and fairy lights makes the perfect statement piece. Want more boho backdrop inspirations? Check the description for my top decor recommendations. What are some creative table setting ideas for a boho baby shower? Your table decor should reflect the relaxed yet stylish boho aesthetic. Use wooden or rattan chargers with linen napkins tied in twine for an organic touch. Set up mismatched ceramic or stoneware plates for a cozy, lived-in feel. For a final touch, add a eucalyptus garland with small candles for a warm and inviting ambiance. Which table decor style do you love the most? Comment below and let me know. How can I set up a boho dessert table? The dessert table is a focal point of any baby shower, and a boho theme makes it even more special. Use a rustic wooden table with a linen table runner for an earthy feel. Set up tiered cake stands with naked cakes and pastel macarons to match the color palette. Add handwritten wooden signs labeling each treat for an extra boho touch. What are some unique centerpiece ideas for a boho baby shower? Centerpieces bring the whole theme together and add depth to your decor. A mix of dried flowers, pampas grass, and eucalyptus in woven baskets creates a natural and elegant look. Consider placing mini dream catchers or wooden baby blocks on the tables for a sweet, personalized touch. If you want something interactive, use small glass vases with handwritten notes from guests for the baby-to-be. Want more centerpiece ideas? Subscribe for more baby shower decor inspiration. What are some unique seating arrangements for a boho baby shower? A boho setup isn't complete without the right seating arrangement. For a picnic-style setup, use floor cushions, rugs, and low wooden tables for a cozy and intimate gathering. If you prefer traditional seating, rattan or wicker chairs add a perfect bohemian touch. For a more relaxed vibe, create a lounge area with plush pillows, throws, and a boho teepee. Want more setup ideas? Check the description for links to my favorite boho decor pieces. How can I use boho lighting to enhance the atmosphere? Lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood for a boho baby shower. Fairy lights strung around the venue create a soft and cozy ambiance. Place rattan or woven lanterns on tables for a stylish, rustic glow. If you're hosting outdoors, candles in glass holders or LED flameless candles make the space feel warm and magical. Do you prefer fairy lights or lanterns? Let me know in the comments. What are some DIY boho baby shower decor ideas? Adding DIY elements makes the baby shower feel even more personal. Handmade macramé hangings can serve as chair decorations or small gifts for guests. Create a DIY flower bar where guests can make their own mini bouquets as favors. For an easy touch, paint mason jars in soft pastel shades and use them as candle holders or flower vases. Love DIY decor? Check the description for my full DIY playlist. These 10 boho baby shower decor ideas will help you create the perfect dreamy celebration. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all my favorite boho baby shower decor pics. Let's make this baby shower unforgettable.